And so the main focus for today would be learning about external compulsion in Hindi. And just like in the previous classes, we learned about chahiye and hona. The key thing here would be padna. Padna. When padna is used along with the infinitive form of the verb. Okay? How you use it, in which tense you use it, we will discuss about it. But give any verb that is an infinitive form. Pahuchna, right? What is pahuchna? To arrive. Pahuchna pada. If you were to put what your mental model would be, it's an external compulsion. So you take this word, and let's say you had to arrive to a location. You will use this word in the past tense. Can you guess what will be the past form of padna? Very good, right? Pada. So if you said pahuchna pada, that's it. Had to arrive early, right? Or had to arrive. Okay. Let's take some more words just to kind of get you guys situated. Rona, very good. Okay. If you were to just put, let's say there's a compulsion, you were not it was not coming to you, but because of whatever the situation is, right? I mean, if you were to put just the padna next to it. Okay. So we will learn about the previous part, sona, pada, basically. Just think about any word. Jana, very good. Right. You had to go basically because there was no other option. That would be jana, pada, beautiful. Okay. It was not in your control, but let's say it's something happening in the future. So your infinitive form of the verb remained the same. All you did was change the padna to the future form, which would be padega. We'll spend a lot of time on it. I'm just trying to give you a preview of it. Jana padega. We still haven't discussed how to use the subject along with the postposition. Jana padega. So this is your past, your future. But now let's talk about something habitual. That as part of your job it's an external compulsion that you usually have to go. Jana padta hai. Jana padta hai. Just like how you will do in the present indefinite tense. Jana padta hai. Right? Jana padta hai. It's like ever since, a random example, post-COVID, right? It's you can say it's a requirement. Aapko office aana hai, versus aana padega. Right? Aana hai is like it's a rule that you will have to come. You have to come to the office in person. Versus now from your perspective you can say that oh jana padega because there is no other sort of a choice. It's a company sort of forcing you to come. Right? We'll practice more, but for each of those we spend a lot of time. For the past also, for future as well as for the habitual one. But any questions so far, immediate questions so far by anyone?